And we're back. What's up, moving around Atlanta? It's your Atlanta and around Atlanta premier luxury listing agent Tristan Jones. Do me a favor, guys, if you haven't already, please hit the like button, the subscribe button. Let's put any comments in the comment section of what you want to see, any kind of homes you would like to see, or something you would like me to go find, and so I can be more of service for you guys. Today we are in Kennesaw, Georgia, checking out a 5-bed, 3.5-bathroom home in this Summerhour neighborhood. Tailor-made for the active lifestyle that you crave and situated in the heart of West Cobb, the Summerhour beckons natural enthusiasts with its sprawling nature trails, a central park that is an oasis of tranquility, and fantastic amenities including a sparkling pool, a charming pavilion, and a whimsical playground. I've been reading the dictionary a little bit lately. Picture yourself parking your 3 cars in the spacious garage before stepping into the open floor plan where the kitchen steals the show. And you guys know how I feel about a good kitchen. But enough about the kitchen. We have something very special upstairs. Tucked behind your bathroom and your bedroom, there is a complete salon with a washing bowl and a chair. Imagine the possibilities. You can run your own hair salon right out of your home. Someone say tax deductible? You guys already know what to do from here. Give me a call or a text and let's see if we can get you in a home like this home, or let's sell your home. I'm ready to work for you. List your home with Tristan Jones. Moving around Atlanta. Let's go. Hey, want to hold a sign like this in front of a house like that? Give me a call, 916-272-0520. Or you can shoot me a text. I can get you funded, I can get you approved, and I can get you across the closing table. And you see I've got the inventory. Let's get to work.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below and let me know what kind of home you would like to see previewed next.